Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tech Share. Today we're going to share with you a tip dealing with spreadsheets when you may need to group students. And here's a little trick that you might want to apply that could help you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some teams. I'm going to create a team 1, a team 2, and a team 3. And what I would like to do is put all of the names of the students that are on each team in one cell. Now I know that you can separate them and put a name in each cell, but what if I wanted to put all of the names in one cell? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this cell so that I have the room to put the kids' names in. And then to stay in this cell, I'm just going to type a name. And normally if you pressed enter, right, it would just go down to the next cell, which is not what I want. So in this case, what I'm going to do is at the end of that first student name, I'm going to hold down the control key. And as I'm holding down the control key, I'm going to hit enter. And then I can put in the next name. And notice that it keeps me in that cell. So as long as I keep hitting control on my keyboard and then the enter key, it will keep me in there. And I can do all of the names within one cell. Okay, now as you can see, when I'm done, it wants to put all the names at the bottom. So if you need to format this differently, just use your formatting tools over here. I can center those names if I'd like, and using the vertical alignment tool, I could put those names at the top of the cell or in the middle of the cell, just like so. So again, the tip of the day is to stay within a cell. Just hold down the control key, press enter or return on your keyboard, and it will allow you to keep putting in line after line after line within the same cell in your spreadsheet. So there's your tip for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it and it's something that you can use in the future. But until next time, take care of yourselves. We'll be seeing you real soon. Bye-bye.